Welcome back, I'm Erica, and in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin. Now, there are many places you can do this, but this tutorial will show you how to buy it through Coinbase, where you can buy as little as $2 worth of Bitcoin. And just a bit of background, Coinbase is a digital currency exchange. They're the largest in the US by trading volume, and they've been around since 2012. I got $10 worth of Bitcoin on Coinbase back in 2014. That $10 worth is now worth almost $600 since Bitcoin has just hit all-time highs. So to get started, you'll just click on the link in my description and follow the steps to open an account. It'll ask for your first name, last name, email, and password. Then you'll need to verify your email address. So you'll receive an email, you'll just open the email and click on the link that says verify email address. Next, you'll need to verify your phone number. Then you'll just have two more steps. You'll have to verify your identity as well as indicate how you're going to fund the account. Then you're set, you're ready to buy. To buy, you'll click on this icon here, then select the buy button that says buy crypto with cash. Select which asset you want to buy. We're choosing Bitcoin. Then you'll be brought to this page. You have a few different options here. You can do a one-time purchase, or you can set a frequency, like automatically purchasing the same amount every day, every week, every 2 weeks, or every month. Any of these options would be what's called dollar cost averaging, where you're investing the same amount at the same frequency regardless of what the price is currently at. For my investing, I love dollar cost averaging because it takes the emotion out of it. Whether it's at all-time highs or all-time lows, I'm still purchasing the same amount worth, so it just eliminates the guesswork, and the idea is that it'll smooth out the price. Because of course, as much as we'd all love to just buy at lows and sell at highs, it's impossible to time the market. For this tutorial, we're just going to do a one-time purchase of $100 worth. So you'll click on this preview buy button and just preview your order. So BTC price is the current price of Bitcoin in that moment. This number here represents the fraction of one Bitcoin I'm getting, and you can see that Coinbase takes a fee depending on how much you're purchasing. If you're purchasing $100 like this example, they'll take $2.99. Let's say you just want to purchase $2 worth of Bitcoin, which is the minimum, then they'll take 99 cents. Once you're happy with your order, just click Buy Now, and you'll receive a confirmation page that says your order was submitted. So it's that easy, and again, the link to do this is in my description below. I'll see you next in this video that you need to watch if you're buying Bitcoin.